Hello foodies! Today we are going to make some ramen using rice paper as noodles. This is going to be quite easy, so without much further ado, let's get started! First thing to do is to get 5 pieces of the rice paper. Submerge them in warm water for about 10 seconds. And then we remove it and place it on a chopping board, tapping away some air bubbles. Next, get some oil and brush the oil on top of the paper. I oiled my scissors also so that it won't get stuck as I cut them into strips. Slowly cut the paper into strips. You could cut it wider if you like. Look at that! Looks so yummy already! Now it's time to prepare our broth. We need to chop some garlic and some onions. Next, I'm chopping here some shiitake mushrooms. And this will be one of the toppings for later. Another topping for later is this chicken luncheon meat. So this needs to be sliced as well. Now let's get cooking. Here I will just stir fry the mushrooms and the luncheon meat that I just sliced. Now, let's prepare the broth. In a big pot, heat some oil. Sauté garlic and onion. Put some chili powder. You can add more if you want it to be really spicy. Next, I have here 1 liter of this chicken stock which I bought from the grocery. After the broth, we could add in our rice paper noodles. We cover the pot and we let them cook for a little bit. After a few minutes, it is cooked. And now we have come to the best part, prepping our bowl. So, get a bowl. Pour in the broth, add in our rice paper noodles, top it with mushroom, corn, cubed luncheon meat, the ramen egg. I have a link for a video where you can watch how I made this ramen egg. let's add some chopped onions, some chili flakes, and the most important of all, drizzle some sesame oil. So there you have it, our easy rice paper ramen. So good. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next. Bye!